All right, here's the NQ daily chart. It's been selling off for 7 days straight. It's been pretty brutal. It's down around 5%. That means every stock's down 10, 15%, at least tech stocks. And here's the hourly chart, getting wrecked pretty hard. We do have Jackson Hole coming up today. Here's my Tesla trade idea. Posted it August 20th. It's bouncing off the daily cloud. Bouncing off the daily cloud, also retesting the trend line that it broke out of. So it could get a nice push. And the market just opened. Also in Google call swings. Trying to push up here. It's getting rejected though. Yeah, hard rejection on Google. Not a huge fan of this name. Doesn't really move that well. Tesla getting a nice push though. Going for that key level break of 325. Also, it's Friday, and Tesla really likes to go on Fridays. And it's been selling off hard. Also saw some crazy call flow coming in for the next few weeks on it. Okay, really nice push here. Almost at 325. I'm up 511 right now. We have Jackson Hole coming up in 10 minutes. Nvidia is recovering. It's down almost 2% pre-market because China wants to halt some of their chips. Up 900 right now. Gonna sell Google here. Just taking some risk off. Have a slight gain on that. About to go red here. Nvidia's pulling back. Google's dumping. Count's trying to stay green here. Tesla might carry me today. Okay, huge pop. Could be Jackson Hole news. Powell, shifting balance of risk may warrant adjusting policy. So it sounds like they're open to cutting rates more. Up 1350 right now. Could get an all-day run. We've been selling off for 7 days. Good snap back. Especially with all the shorts covering. Really nice push on Google. It's nearing the all-time high. Up 2,700. Insane Google candle here. More news coming in. Powell, Fed abandoning 2020 flexible average inflation targeting framework. So it's looking like we're going to get some rate cuts coming. Taking an Nvidia call off. Traders resume fully pricing in 2 rate cuts. Let's see if we can break 3K here. Going to sell another Google. I'm 3,800 right now. Tesla's carrying hard. Taking another Google off. Yeah, all my Google expires today, so I have to sell all of it. In a bunch of different Tesla positions. Some TSLL. Selling another Nvidia. 175 call, today's expiry. More news, Canada to remove retaliatory tariffs on many U.S. products. So we're just getting all this good news today, finally. Pretty much how the market works. We get a ton of bad news, and then we just get a ton of good news. Apple explores using Google Gemini to power revamped Siri. This could be good for Google. About to break 5K. Yeah, Google's spiking hard. Breaking the all-time high. Trimming Google again. 202.50 call. They're at 4 right now. Broke 5K. Tesla getting that nice uptrend. Google's really going here. Options up about 250%. Looking to take another swing for a few weeks out. It's one of my top plays. All-time high break and then take calls about 2 weeks out. Selling a Tesla here for $10.40. Bought for $4.50. It's about 130% gain. Google had a really nice rally. Gave back some of the gains the last hour though. Calls are up 130%. Nvidia, nice day today, especially being down 2% pre-market. Tesla carried super hard, up 6% today. Still going after hours. And obviously calls did really good, up 300% plus. AMD as well, SPY, up 1.5%. Calls up over 300%. TSLL up 12%. I just started buying shares on this. I think it's going to do really well over the next year or two as they lower interest rates. So I'm basically buying the floor on it, just like I did with AMDL. Here's the recap. Swings paid today. Tesla calls up anywhere from 130 to 200%. Nvidia calls up 130%, 160%. Also Google calls up 100% to 270%. Was trading on multiple portfolios today. The options port up around 2,500. And the spreads port up 2,600. Couldn't fit it all into this screenshot. But overall up 5,600 on the day. Still in runners. Trimmed a lot. But the market's looking good here for a nice continuation. Here's a bunch of my fills. Bought a bunch more Tesla. Sold some. I think Tesla's going to run the next few weeks. Sold all my Google. So yeah, we'll have to see how this week goes. Make sure to follow me on X and subscribe.